Here it's asking us to evaluate each of the following expressions using special right triangles and the unit circle. So I'm going to probably use the unit circle on this one to help me with it. So for the first one, it says sine of 4 pi over 3. So when I sketch that on the unit circle, I know this is 0 and this is pi. 4 pi over 3, if this is 3 pi over 3, because it's pi, then I have to go one more third here. And then I'm looking for the sine of that, which is the y value at this coordinate. So when I do that, I see the long side is the y and the short side is the x. So that means that sine of 4 pi over 3 is equal to root 3 over 2. The thing is that since it's going down, since the y value is going down, or I'm in that quadrant, then my answer should be negative root 3 over 2. The next one is cosine of 11 pi over 3. And to do that one, a couple things. If I wanted to use the unit circle, I need to find a coterminal angle that lands in the same spot as 11 pi over 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 2 pi to make it smaller, which is 6 pi over 3. When I subtract those two, I get 5 pi over 3. So I know that cosine of 11 pi over 3 is going to be the same answer as cosine of 5 pi over 3. So when I do this, I sketch my unit circle. Again, 0 and pi, and 5 pi over 3 is 2/3 of the way on the bottom now. So one more than the last one we just did. And I'm looking for the cosine value, which, again, earlier we said that this y value is the long side, the x value is the short side. So cosine of 11 pi over 3 is equal to 1/2. And since we are going to the right, I know that it is positive. Third one here, sine of negative 5 pi over 6. I want to do the same thing I did before just to be consistent here. I want something that lands on my unit circle in a positive value. So I'm going to add 2 pi to get a coterminal angle that looks like a value that we recognize. So when I do that, I end up getting 7 pi over 6. So I'm going to sketch 7 pi over 6, which should give me the same answer as negative 5 pi over 6. So in this one here, I have my unit circle. This is 0 and pi. This is 6 pi over 6, so I have to go one more sixth of the way, which is the little small one over here. I'm talking about the sine value of this, which I look and I see the y value is the short side. So sine of negative, I should do this in a different color. Sine of negative 5 pi over 6 is equal to negative 1/2. And last one here, cosine of negative 2 pi over 3. So coterminal angle to get it on the unit circle by adding 2 pi, which is 4 pi over 3. I sketch 4 pi over 3, which we've already done before here. It's down here. But this time I'm looking for the cosine, which the cosine is the x value. So this one here is also going to be cosine negative 2 pi over 3 is also going to be negative 1/2 because I'm going to the left for the x-axis.